bird dog. So this is another great exercise working on moving the limbs while keeping the core nice and locked in. So the way we're going to set up for this, we're going to set up in a quadruped position. So that means we got the hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, toes pulled towards the shins. Our goal is to extend our opposite hand and foot straight out without any change in position from our back or from our spine. So a great way to start this is to get tension through the core. Best way to do that is to actually pretend like you're trying to push the ground away from you. You don't want to do a huge push, huge tuck, just enough to help feel like you've got tension through the arms, through the shoulders, and through the core. From there, you're going to extend your opposite hand and foot straight out as far as you can, forward and backward. I'm trying to make a straight line from my fingertips all the way to the heel. Again, notice keeping my back totally flat. What you're going to want to do is as you reach, you're going to bend the back to try and reach the heel up. The most important part of this exercise is that we do not allow that back to bend down. It's very important that it stays in that locked in position. You reach straight out, squeezing the glute. Once that back leg is completely straight, that's how you know you've completed that movement. And then we come back down. So that is bird dog.